Welcome to Python learning course from basics to advanced level. That means we will discuss each and every aspect of Python right from the basics and then we'll go to the advanced level. The course will mainly focus on the practical approach, so I'll make sure that this is the first and the last theoretical video, and from now on we will concentrate on the hands-on experience of Python. There's one other thing that I would like to share with you, that I will try my best to make these videos as short as possible so that your time doesn't get wasted and you will learn a lot in very short time. First of all, I should introduce you to myself. My name is Muhammad Talha, and I'll be posting Python tutorials from basics to advanced level. I have done Bachelor's of Electrical Engineering, and I also have 4 years of experience working with Python. Before going ahead with programming, let's discuss what is Python and why it can be an asset in future digital market. Well, Python is a general purpose and a high-level programming language. But what does that mean? There are two key points in this line. The first one is general purpose, and the second one is high-level programming language. The general purpose means that it can be used in a wide range of applications, which means that Python has a very vast variety of applications in almost all the fields of life. And the other one is high-level programming, which means that it is very near to human language. We don't have to learn any machine language to code our machine. We will just write the script in our own language and the machine will work according to the instructions. Earlier we discussed that Python is a general purpose language, which means that it has very vast variety of applications. Applications are also known as uses. So let me tell you what are the basic or main or top uses these days that we are getting from Python. It is widely used in web development, data analysis, GUI application development, blockchain development, which is a very hot topic these days, and machine learning, deep learning, neural networks, and artificial intelligence. Well, now it's clear that all these fields are the future. And if Python is helping us in developing the future, that means that Python itself has a very high demand and market value. But if you're still not convinced that why should you learn Python programming, then let me tell you that thousands of companies, including Facebook, Netflix, Twitter, Spotify, Dropbox, and Instagram, are using Python to enhance their services. And now let's take a look at this graph. You can see that Python has a very huge amount of popularity, which is almost more than almost every other programming language. Another important point. Who should join this course? Well, the answer is very simple. The course is for everyone. Even if you haven't wrote a single line of code in your entire life, the course will consist upon each and everything related to Python programming. And that's why those who already know a bit of programming will also be able to gain sufficient knowledge. But what will be the medium of course? A medium of course, which also means that the language of course. The language of course will be both English and Urdu or Hindi, which means that each of the video will be posted in English and Urdu languages. There will be two playlists on this YouTube channel. The first one will be in English and the second one will be in Urdu. The course content will be exactly same except the language. And lastly, there are some contact details that I have that you can use to reach out to me if you have any kind of questions or queries or confusions and you want me to answer all those questions for you. You can just write down your questions and contact me either on Facebook or Instagram, or email me your questions and I will try my best to answer all those questions. So for now, that's it. See you in the next video. Goodbye.